Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to paint this super cute bunny holding an egg. Today I am using one of our Paint by Line products. You can see that all of the design is etched into the bunny already. So I'm just going to begin to paint inside the lines the colors that I want to use. I am painting the bunny himself a light gray color. And I'm just going to go around and paint all of the body parts of the bunny, his arms, his midsection, his face, his ears, his feet, and I'm just going to paint them all this gray color, staying inside the lines that have already been provided for me. You can purchase a Paint by Line design at buildacross.com in our newest section, Paint by Line. Now I'm going to begin to paint the flowers inside the egg. Again, I'm staying inside the lines provided for me. I'm painting the flowers a hot pink, and then the little flowers that are on the egg, I'm going to paint a lighter pink to kind of give them some distinction. Now I'm going to paint the centers of the flowers yellow. As you can see, my bunny looks really crazy right now as he's drying. Oh, he's dry now. He looks normal again. Okay, I'm painting his tail white, his little cottontail bunny. And he's got some little buck teeth on his face, so I'm painting them white as well. In the design of his eye, he has some white in it. It's a pretty fancy little eyeball there. Now I'm going to paint the inside of his ears a pale pink. And again, I'm just staying inside the lines that have been given to me that are already etched into the product, painting his nose pink. This is the same light pink that I painted the light pink flowers on the egg. Now I'm going to begin to paint the egg itself. I'm painting it green. It's like the flowers are in a field of green. And the last part that I'm going to paint that's inside the lines are the rest of his eyeball. Now once I've completed his eyeball, I have painted everything the inside, all of the lines, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to begin to outline him so that everything stands out. As you can see, everything inside the lines have been painted. You can kind of see what it looks like. You see some more etching on there that doesn't have any color on it. That's what I'm going to come back and I'm going to highlight or outline. For this step, I am taking a 00 paintbrush with black paint that I have watered down a little bit. That really helps the paint to flow through these creases because you're basically just going to be running your brush, along the creases that have been given to you to outline each piece. As you can see, he's really starting to come together and have some dimension as we're filling in these lines. You could also try doing these lines with like a thin paint marker, and I think it would work pretty well for most of them. Some of the smaller stuff you're probably going to want to come back in with a paintbrush, but if you're not as comfortable outlining with a paintbrush, you could come back with, and do it with a pen. Now I'm going to go around all of the outside of the bunny. So I'm done doing all of the etched lines, and now I'm just going to come around with the black and outline the bunny to complete everything. And to paint this entire bunny, I painted inside the lines and outlined etches that were already given to me. Super easy, anybody can do it. It would be a great project for Easter. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and share.